Pope's intention for October for a shared mission. In October, the Pope asks us to pray that the Church continues to live a synodal lifestyle where everyone shares responsibility. This means that priests, religious and lay people all work together, each playing an important role. The Pope wants the Church to encourage participation, making sure everyone's voice is heard. By working together in unity, we strengthen our sense of community and mission. This shared mission helps the Church grow stronger and more connected. The Pope believes that when we collaborate like this, we reflect the true spirit of the Church. It's about walking together on the same path, united in our faith and purpose.